Today, I'm going to teach you how easy it is to set the time on any model of G-Shock so you don't have to be intimidated by these hefty instruction manuals. First, make sure you're on the home menu where you recognize a time and date format. If you're not on the home menu, you can simply press the mode button on your G-Shock to cycle between the modes until you recognize the time and date format. Next, identify where the adjust button is on your G-Shock. For most, it'll be in the top left as it is with mine, and you're just going to hold that down for a few seconds to enter adjustment mode. Now that we've entered the adjustment menu, we're just going to use the mode button on the bottom left to cycle our way to the hour and minutes. So if we press this a few times, we'll notice that now the hour is flashing. To make an adjustment to this, either up or down, we use the buttons at the right. So I'd like to set this to 5:30, so we're going to go up to 5, and since we're happy with that, we're just going to press mode once more to cycle over to the minutes, of which we can then adjust up to our desired time of 5:30. To lock in these settings, all you do is press the adjust button once, and we're now back to our home menu with the correct time. Make sure you hit the like button so that YouTube knows to use this video to help other people set the time on their G-Shocks. Remember, each G-Shock has its own unique features which can all be set up from the exact same adjustment menu, so make sure you have a look through everything you've got so you get the most out of your G-Shock. If you'd like to get your hands on either of these two super cool G-Shock models, I'll be leaving a link for you in the description. And by the way, this one's actually wearing a custom steel upgrade kit, so I'm going to leave the video for that one if you want to check it out. Here's a link to our watches playlist, and do make sure you're a subscriber so you don't miss our next watch tips, tricks and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.